What you doing, buddy? There's no bugs here. There's no buggies.
I ain't got no buggies.
Right.
I got foam.
Right. You're a pretty little thing, though. Might be looking for a house. Maybe.
She waved at me, I waved her back.
Right.
I don't know if we knew her or not.
Probably not. Hi, buddy. You're so pretty.
She went all the way around. I don't know if that's one of her daughter here or not.
No.
Okay, I hope not.
Nope. It's not.
Okay. But I didn't know Bella was going to have Pete North. I heard she's going to have that many.
Right. Yeah. That's how many came last time, too.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Hi, buddy. I can't tell if I'm getting you good or not.
Maybe take a couple pictures and then I might know.
I'm doing it on YouTube.
Yeah.
He keeps moving his pedipalps, his mouth fingers.
Yeah. He's okay when he does that.
There's no buggies here. What are you doing?
I don't see no web. Anyway.
He has a drag line from his butt.
Yeah.
That's the only web. They don't use web.
Right.
They live hunt.
Well, I don't see it though.
Hey,
But
buddy.
some people die with today.
Right. Hi. What you doing?
Oh, getting ready for my son.
Yeah.
It's hot now.
Hi, buddy. What's up?
He's hard to see right over here.
I bet.
And I see you got tons of popsicle in the freezer.
Yep. Yep. Maybe it'll last me for a couple weeks.
Hopefully.
Right. Right. Hi, buddy. Trying to keep it up on ya. Right.